Howdy do. It's early on a Saturday. Well, not too. It's not late enough to be drinking. But it's a Saturday. I've got my grill going. I said the last video was kind of nice out here, but now we're starting to get more overcast, but it's not too chilly to sit out on the patio while I got my grill going. Having a version of a Tom Collins, kind of a diet Tom Collins, if you will. And so I have this gin. Certified organic Prairie handcrafted gin. Actually, I got this in a set. It's got a small, this size bottle of the gin and this size bottle of the vodka. I may very well do a vodka Collins later, but I thought I'd go traditional gin, have a Tom Collins. Back in August when we were in St. Louis, I picked up the Spindrift. I thought I drank it all, but I had one can left. Made with fresh squeezed grapefruits. The ingredients are sparkling water, fresh grapefruit juice, natural flavors, fruit and vegetable juice for color. It has 15 calories. So what I've got here is not all the sugar that you typically get in a Tom Collins. That's why I'm kind of referring to it as a vodka Collins, because I've got the grapefruit flavor with the gin. It's not really, don't get technical with me, but that's what I'm going to call it. Oh yeah, I'm not a huge gin fan, and I've said that before. I'm not, but what the hell? I had both things. I thought I'd try I was going to do the vodka Collins, but let's do a traditional. I love this Spindrift soda. It's just great because it gives you the flavor without the sugar, and that's nice. And as I get older, I don't crave sweets as much. Oh yeah, tipple responsibly. This is my 2 gingers glass. I got I don't know, a couple weeks ago, I guess, in a set. Excuse me while I scratch my nose. I hate when that happens. I got a set of the 2 gingers. It's only 17 bucks for the 2 glasses and the bottle of 2 gingers Irish whiskey. So I'm kind of using this. They called it a Collins glass. It's really it's really a tall highball glass, which in bars back in the day, it's what they make in a Collins, so now it's just called a Collins glass, I suppose. But traditionally, this would just be a tall highball glass. I've talked about this before. I don't know why what happened to the term highball. I've talked to some younger bartenders that don't even know what highball means, which kind of makes me scratch my head. I don't think people are taught tradition like they once were. It irritates me a little bit. Things are called different things, It's not, again, I've said this before, it's not a foregone conclusion, but typically, a highball was one alcohol, one mixer. Now, there are exceptions to that. Don't start arguing with me about it, but typically that's what it was. 7 and 7 is a highball, typically served in a tall glass. A Harvey Wallbanger has more than a couple ingredients, but it's pretty simple. The rule of thumb is, it's not, all highballs are cocktails, not all cocktails are highballs. But a highball was typically served in a cylindrical glass like this, either short, about half this size, well, not maybe a little over half out there, and tall. Now, a lot of people are under the misunderstanding that tall meant you got more alcohol. No, tall meant you got more mixer. You get a short or a tall. A Tom Collins was always served in a glass like this. You can order a double in both short and tall, and that got you more alcohol. But a tall glass just got you more mixer. If you were having a 7 and 7 or Jack and Coke, which is a traditional highball as well, yeah, if you ordered a short, you got your shot pour and the rest Coke. If you ordered a tall, you got more Coke in your Jack and Coke. So if you wanted it more watered down per se, you'd order a tall. But you can get a double in either. Oh, yeah. It's a very refreshing drink. Yeah, I'm not a huge gin guy, but I'm kind of enjoying it. I only bought it because it was on sale. It was $10.96. I figured, what the hell, this is decent quality stuff, and I can always use it for something. So there you go. So anyways, this is my Saturday highball video. How about that? I need to do a highball video every once in a while just to remind people what a frickin' highball is. So anyways, here we go. This is my diet Tom Collins. This is Tom the Beer Whisperer, and I'll see you later.